We met when I was in a band. No, not that band, this band. We fell in love. We started a business. We bought a house. Then we got married. We hung out with our dogs, Stella and Kobo. Then we bought a cabin in the woods. Nope, not that cabin, this cabin. Then we dug a fire pit and started some renovations. We built a dock and adopted a dog named Juno. We got a jet ski and explored the woods with our dogs. We had some fun along the way, and the journey continues. This is our life with dogs. The plate.
Plate, yeah.
Yeah, because we tried them out. That one's totally ugly. These are just the plastic ones. Those are expensive though. They're steel. They're $5 a pop, but I don't like them. And because of the shortage on things, they didn't have everything either, right? So
that's pretty ugly.
It is pretty ugly. Like I think today, like the reality of this is that
you just switch those two out. You'll never see that one down there, right?
Yeah, do I have to do it right now? Mm-mm. So I think it's good that we better set up a makeshift kitchen over here because we're gonna be screwed. So let's do that. That thing wants to fall on me. I probably need the boss's help. Hey boss, you want to come in here for a sec? I just had to pop a couple screws in here. If you want to just give me a hand. I just need to help you hold it up in place so it doesn't tip my screw it in.
Oh yeah.
Watch your fingers,
I
man.
didn't know.
Alright, try that. Babe, close that door. You're the wonderfulest, best in the whole wide world. Alright, let's see if this fits. Temporary kitchen. Oh, yes. Nice. Nice. That's the temporary kitchen. Temp kitchen. Box City. Right, you guys saw it the other day. We actually cleaned up the cottage. Hi, Kobe. And now we're back to this. Oh, Mom said you're eating that. You can't eat a paint roller, buddy. You can't eat a paint roller. Don't growl at the daddy. It's not nice. So we got here a couple days ago. We had cleaned up the whole place, which you guys probably saw in the previous video, and then we had to kind of get the kitchen prepared. So now we're back to a mess. And Michelle is just going through all the boxes over here.
I found one. We got door number 1.
Okay, well
out
that's a
of
good
this
sign.
whole list.
Door
So
number 1.
this is all they've categorized them into, like.
Good
So I'm
Lord.
starting from the left, working our way over, and I've only so far found the Grimswald off-white door, which is that. So I've marked it number 1, even though it says cabinet 2 on here, but I am dumbfounded on, I cannot find the base cabinet, which the funny thing is I probably don't have because we're still waiting for a few things.
I left a few base cabinets. Aren't these base cabinets here?
Those are, but they're not, I need a 902-665-14.
90210. Okay, back to it. Oh, Kobe, what are you doing, buddy? Look at the mess.
Here's the cabinet order.
But you have the order of the cabinets.
Yeah, so these go in order starting from here across.
You don't have any sizes for me, though.
Yeah, all the sizes are in here.
No, like, I don't have any heights or anything.
Yeah, 30 inches.
That's how high the cabinet is. It's not how high where the rail system needs to go. Like,
Then you need the installation guide.
that would be probably what I need. Getting to know the Ikea kitchen system. Once you've removed your old kitchen, prepare the room by making sure the walls and floors are even. I can tell you already that none of this is going to be even. Now is also the time to prime and paint your walls, put tiles on the walls and floors, or change your flooring. Mark cabinet positions. Make sure you leave 32nd and 3/16 between the highest point of your floor and the bottom of your base. Double check your plumbing where you want it and see if it fits and lay out with your plan. Mount the rails on the right height. The underside of the base cabinet suspension rail should be 32 and 3/16, 82 centimeters above your floor's highest point. So the bottom of the rail needs to sit at 32 and 3/16. Okay, well, let's check that out. Where approximately is 32 and 3/16. 32 and 3/16 is there. That's a good sign. That's definitely gonna be not good. We're gonna have to fucking cover that.
Yeah.
What was that?
So basically everything's come to a halt with our IKEA kitchen installation. We have so much prep work that we realized we need to do. Not that we didn't realize we needed to do this, we just didn't realize with attaching the just the wall mounts and making sure that all of our electrical is in the right place. I made a lot of changes to the kitchen from the original layout that the designer did, where she ran all the electrical. Doesn't seem to work with the layout of the new cabinets, or cabinets anyways. So we're gonna take the dogs for a quick walk, let off some steam, because we're both frustrated because it's beginning stages. They suck, right? They just totally suck. And IKEA is like putting together the 10,000 piece puzzle. So I was trying to organize all the cabinets and put them all and group them kind of in their sections. Kind of stopped that because it just seems to be 10 steps ahead of from where we are. So we're gonna take the dogs for a walk. We're gonna make sure that we've got everything we need kind of to start prepping the wall, make sure if we have to move the electrical, we can do that. And then we might hit Timber Mart and pick up some plywood and stuff just so that we can get the wall prepared, and then probably sit and watch IKEA installation videos. That's what we're doing now. So we're going for a quick walk to let off some steam. We just both got really overwhelmed with all the amount of work that needs to be done just in prepping IKEA installation. We've got to change electrical. We've got to make sure that the wall panels are all properly even, level, secure, etc. The instructions are not the easiest to understand, so we're kind of going to take 5 steps back and just go for a walk, make sure that we have all of our supplies. We're gonna head out to town, go to Timber Mart and pick up some plywood and a few other things that we need. Or there's already things that are just not making sense to us. So that's where we're at right now, but it is a beautiful day. That's for sure. The sun is out. It is cold, but when the sun's out, it doesn't matter.